Hi, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest, and I want to show you my hellebores that are blooming. I got these at Home Depot a couple years ago, and they're finally coming into their own. Oh, they're so beautiful. I thought that hellebores would be really difficult to grow, but they're really not. They're not. They're easy peasy. I think a lot of that goes into where you plant them. So I think choose your site carefully. They're definitely not going to like afternoon sun, even in colder climates like ours. Like some sun. I mean, there are plants. Some of their leaves are a bit raggedy in March, so I did cut off the really raggedy looking leaves. But a lot of them look okay. But the flowers. So there are tulips out right now, hyacinth, a few flowers, but these are my favorite. So these ones are like a deep purplish color, and these ones are like a greeny purple. And then I got these new ones. There's a house that sells plants 2 streets over, and they had these ones. Look at. So I think these ones are really pretty. I'd never seen double hellebores before, so I'm gonna give that a try. So I'm excited about that. These ones are a little taller too. And then I have some seedling hellebores. I've got a flat of those, so got a lot of work to do with them. I did think hellebores would be hard to grow. I don't know why, they just look fancy. But no, they're not. They just come back every year. I actually find them to be really low maintenance and very beautiful. I'll get some close-up footage of them for you guys so that you can see them. I'm really happy with them. Definitely recommended for your landscape.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen.